So today we are going to be doing this scheme, not actually scheme, but like this thing I saw on YouTube where you buy a shoe at a low price and then you sell it at a higher price on an app called StockX. Now, if you don't know what reselling shoes is, you would go to, let's say, some clearance store, you know, some store with a clearance section and some like pretty popular brand. You buy the shoe in the clearance section, let's say a Jordan 1 or whatever, then you sell it on this app called StockX. You can sell it before you even buy the shoe.
Tell them to bring me my money. Yeah!
Just so you know that you're getting the money, you're making the money, and it's 100% safe. See you guys there. Ready. Alright guys, so we got some Kyries, and then we got, I don't know what these shoes are, but they look kind of goofy, and I'll see you guys at the house. What is up guys? So we are home now, and it was an experience, but I did find out a better way to actually like sell the shoes. So basically, since you need the whole box in perfect condition, which I'll show you what Nike does, the actual factory store, they rip off the lid. So you can't sell on StockX, and you can't list it as brand new on GOAT, which is usually what people buy it as. 120, these are exact same shoes. Free shipping, which is kind of smart, I might do that. Okay, as you can see, $120.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, sorry about my hair, but this is a little update, alright? So I just did a little research, and I found out selling on GOAT and selling on StockX is very hard. You got to have the box perfect condition, and if you don't on GOAT, there's no like, oh, auto, you get the money while you're in the store. But I look on eBay, you can actually filter. Here, so you go into filter, it's on the right, scroll down after pressing more, and it says sold items. So you check sold items, and then you can go to your local, any store, Nike, Marshalls, any store, Goodwill, literally anything. Alright guys, so I couldn't sell the shoes. There were some technical difficulties.
I am once again asking for your financial support.
24 hours later.
Alright guys, I'm back, and it turns out the creasing is actually there by default. Look at that. So there is actually supposed to be this little creasing on the back. So they're still brand new. Now we go to GOAT, $110. I feel like that's a good price. $110. Lowest price, $105. Ooh, wait. Someone's, okay, I'll do $105. I'm doing $105.
Well played, sir.
There's the time. Alright, so that's the timer now. It's 5:53, and I just finished my first, what should I say, like shoe searching experience. So I actually downloaded GOAT, and GOAT, you can actually sell worn shoes, or also if you sell brand new shoes, then the box does actually have to be perfect condition. But if you could sell worn shoes on GOAT. This box is literally perfect condition as well. Oh my god, right, damn near perfect condition, except I actually have worn these once outside and the rest were just inside, but they look brand new. This is perfect condition, I'll see. So I'll probably sell these for 100. If you round it up, I bought these for $80 in all. $100. So press next, confirm you want to, confirm you want to make the listing $100. Yes. 100 I feel is actually not that bad. Alright, 10.5 new in box. Yes, these are new in box. And 100, I don't know actually. I feel like there's going to be a couple fees. So we're going to actually switch that. I'm going to make it 110. Alright guys, so it is currently Sunday, April 24th. And I have some good news and also some bad news. So we'll start with both. So if I go over to my computer here and we go to eBay summary, and then we go to selling, you know what that means, selling. We sold the shoes, alright? We sold them. But a bad thing is that for one of the shoes, I was offered lower than like I was having on my listing.
Look at my lips, you're ruining it.
I lost $10 because I made a negative profit from the shoes because some dude offered me like $10 lower than I had it listed, and or like $20 lower. And then my other shoes, the auction went crazy for the Kyrie ones, and I actually made $34, but I just ran it at 35, and honestly, it's pretty crazy. Like, I'm actually happy. Look, I was managing. Boom, you see that? And these are our sales right here. So these are both shoes sold in right here, April 22nd. I didn't think they're gonna sell. They sold last second, 1 second left, bro. And they actually sold, which I was so surprised. I'm actually really happy about that. And I already shipped them out. And they're on their way to their buyers. Hopefully I also get some positive reviews, because on eBay, you would want a lot of positive reviews. But what I took away from this, guys, is that it is a good side hustle. I would say it's not like a main business, unless you're flipping like super expensive shoes. But it would be a decent side hustle just to make a couple, like, you know, like 50 bucks a week if you actually take it a little bit serious. But the only bad thing would be that you would have to go to different stores. You'd have to go to different, you know, Nikes and actually buy the shoe. And if there's no return policy, it is very risky because you're just gonna have to hold that shoe until you can sell it. Now, actually, if you use StockX, it automatically, like while you're in the store, you could just say you have the shoe, press sell, boom, you get the money, buy the shoe, you automatically have the money. But StockX is actually a problem with it, is that they sell their shoes for so low. Like those Kyrie ones, 40 on StockX. The red ones, I forgot what basketball player it was. Those are also like literally only like 30 on StockX. And I bought those for 70 each. So that's what I'm saying. StockX is not that good. GOAT is honestly, it's pretty good, but you'd have to mark it as brand new or worn because you don't have the box. If you do have the box, then yeah, you could put it as brand new. But that's basically it, guys. If I have all of my rounded up, I wrote it down actually, round up all my profits, we made about, alright, so we sold the Kyries for 85, I rounded it up, and then we sold the red ones, we sold those for 70. Now, I did the math, obviously, it's pretty simple math. I spent 140, added all together, we made about $15, plus some taxes on eBay, it's about $10. And I made $10 within 2-3 days. Now that's not that good at all. I would say like that is not good. But if you do become an eBay Plus member or Plus member, Plus member, you can search it up. It's actually pretty difficult. You have to do 200 listings that actually sell. And then you also have to make at least $1,000 in 12 months. That one is not that hard. And then also you need to have good reviews, and that's basically it. So it's not super difficult, but that's how you get your fees lower. Now some stores I would recommend to do this reselling type of stuff would be like Marshall's, maybe Walmart. Walmart would kind of work maybe, but Marshall's has the boxes. Walmart optional. Nike factory stores. But guys, I hope this taught you a little side hustle that you might want to dabble in a little bit, and you actually might want to try this hustle out. But I have a very exciting video, because as you saw on my eBay just now, not all that money you made was from the shoes. So I'm going to show you how to make at least $200 plus. And check out this video right here if you want to see some of my vlogs. And I'm just going to start posting some business type videos. But click right here if you want to see a vlog. And subscribe as well while you're here. And I'll see you guys later.